Today we'll be solving this question. Find the shortest distance from a point -1, 1, 2 to a line with equation r is equal to 1, 0, 2 plus t minus 3, 1, 1. The process solving, as we know, is let us decide a point M over here having the coordinates, say for example A, B, C. Now note this point M is both on line and L1 as well as on line MP. So using the fact that two perpendicular vectors will be having a dot product of 0, we use this concept to find the coordinates of M. Once we know the coordinates of M, we find out the direction MP, and then we find out the magnitude, which will be the shortest distance between the point and the line. Let's start with the solution. Let us assume that the coordinates of M over here be A, B and C. Now M lies on line L1. As you can see, any point lying on the line L1 will be having the coordinates as x is equal to 1 minus 3t, x is equal to 1 minus 3t, y is equal to 0 plus t, z is equal to 2 plus t. X, y and z we substitute over here with A, B and C. So we get A is equal to 1 minus 3t, B is equal to t and C is equal to 2 plus t. Now direction of MP. Direction of MP will be equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, z2 minus z1. So 1 minus 3t is a point M, and there is a corresponding x coordinate for point P is minus 1. So 1 minus 3t minus of minus 1 will be giving you 2 minus 3t. Similarly, t minus 1 and 2 plus t minus 1 will give you t. So these are the direction. This is the direction MP. Direction of L1, as you know, is given in the question minus 3, 1 and 1. So taking the dot product of both the directions over here and making it 0, solving it, will get t, which is equal to 7 by 11. Putting the value of t in my direction MP, this format over here, will give me MP is equal to 2 minus, wherever there is t we put 7 by 11. Simplifying it, we get the direction MP, which is given by this format. Now taking the magnitude of this will give you the shortest distance between the point and the line.